So welcome back to Chasing Cars 71 YouTube channel. We're here today, it's Friday, we're travelling up to Knockhill for the McRae Rally Challenge. We've got ourselves a bit of a convoy going on. First of all, we've had breakfast here at Amici Cafe on the A1 at Sandy, and now we're going to hit the road and get on up the long journey up north to Scotland to Knockhill. So. Made it to Dunfermline, our rest halt overnight ahead of the McRae Rally Challenge tomorrow. All three cars are here safe and sound. We've got a few running repairs to deal with on our car, but nothing major. So it's been a really good run up through some glorious countryside. Some interesting weather, but it is Scotland, so as we crossed the border it was absolutely peeing it down with rain, and there was a yellow weather warning. So fingers crossed. We've got some blue sky now. We're going to head out for dinner and a few beers in a moment, and we'll head over to Knockhill Circuit in the morning, so we'll catch you later. So we're just setting up here at Knockhill. Things are getting busy, the rally's about to get underway, but we've parked up the tribute cars here in a great location for people to come and have a look at the cars, talk about memories of Colin and celebrate the man. We've just seen Alister turn up in the Carlos Sainz car here. Let's go and have a closer look at that now.
But we get an extra exciting bit towards the end to say we're going to come plummeting back in. Yeah, absolutely. And just about
How was your run out in that, Al?
Yeah, all good. Good to get back in a Subaru again.
Awesome, mate. When was the last time you drove?
Actually, I drove a car similar to that down at Goodwood.
Okay, yeah, of course. That was recently, wasn't it?
Yeah.
give you a warm up for it, yeah? Have a good day.
It also means that we're going to see situations like what we've got on the pitch right now, where 110 is Jake Collins and draws back.
So as part of the McRae Weekend, they've got a collection here of Jimmy McRae and family McRae rally cars, including Alister and Colin. So we'll have a quick walk down the row now to look at all the cars that are here to celebrate over 50 years of Jimmy McRae and 30 years since Colin and Alister won their championships. That's the World Rally and the British Rally Championship. So let's have a look down the line, starting with the oldest first. lineup here, featuring all of the McRae cars in a timeline. Colin's early career right through to some of Jimmy's cars and Alister as well. Finishing off with, of course, the iconic Subaru that is L555 BAT from the 95 winning championship year. Congratulations, what a year that was. So thanks for looking at this array of cars. Fantastic achievement, Dave. Well done on achieving your Guinness World Record for the most signed rally tribute car in the world. It's now official as the McRae family hand over the certificate of achievement. Well done, Dave.
Thanks very much.
Well done, Dave. Congratulations.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you very much. Thanks, guys.
Brilliant.
Thank you. Thanks to the McRaes for having us all here this weekend. You've got to admit they are one unique family from very young to very old. Especially Jimmy and Margaret, who signed the car yesterday, and the guys. It's been an absolute mad McRae bobble hatter, as they call it. This is a surreal moment for myself, especially this. But having the world's most signed tribute car to my absolute legend, and probably hundreds and hundreds, probably millions of people out there, legend Colin McRae, with his wife Alison, his daughter Hollie. I think I can call this a literal sublime moment.
Mission accomplished, Dave.
Mission accomplished.
Well done, Dave.
Thanks, guys.
Well
Thank
done.
you. Thank you.
For your dedication to the McRae family and Colin's memory. Thank you.
Brilliant.
Thank you very much. Okay.
And there's your official certificate.
That's my official certificate.
Awesome. Thank you.
Well done.
that was pretty special, wasn't it? What a collection of cars. Some great donuts there from Bat and the Focus. So yeah, legendary cars. What a day, what a family, what a legacy. Perfect. And the winner is, overall, Mr. Max McRae. Congratulations, Max. Fantastic result for you on what has been a fantastic weekend. So, McRae winning the McRae Rally Challenge seems completely appropriate.
So, I've only had a
from Knockhill. We've had a fantastic weekend at the McRae Rally Challenge. It's been a mix of weather, but today has been really, really good. As you can see, look at that, blue sky, sunshine. A bit chilly, but we've had a fantastic time. We've met some incredible people. So friendly, the rally community, it's amazing. The hospitality, the stories, just been unbelievable. So hope you've enjoyed watching the footage. If you like this sort of stuff, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, Chasing Cars. We've got more stuff planned for the rest of the year, a couple of other rallies coming up. So take care, thank you for watching, and from a sunny Knockhill, we'll say cheerio. Bye for now.